We're gonna pray about it.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? High volume. Who's calling that shit?
I don't know how I be shooting in slow motion, but I was just shooting in slow motion. So let's try this again. Good morning, girl. Welcome back to another video. You know what it is. Anyway, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was MLK Day, so we were off work. I actually did some decluttering. I hope that wasn't in slow motion. And if it was, it's fine. I could do a montage over it. But I did some decluttering yesterday, and I filmed some of it. I decluttered my spice cabinet. But what I was saying before I found out that I was recording slow motion is that I was gonna declutter some more while I wait on roadside assistance. You're probably wondering, why are you waiting on roadside assistance? What's going on? What's up? I was driving to work. I had just left home. And you know I don't listen to music before 10 a.m. so I didn't have any music playing. I wasn't listening to a podcast, but I could hear a noise. And I'm like, what is that? And so I rolled my window down on the passenger side and I heard it and it sounded like a flat tire. So I pulled over safely. I checked and my tire was absolutely flat. So I decided to come back home because I was really close to home. I was less than a half a mile away from home. So I came back home and I contacted roadside assistance and they finally got somebody and he called me and said he was 45 minutes away. I texted my supervisor to let her know that I was gonna be late and that I had a flat tire. So we're all good. I made me some tea. That's where we're at with it. I'm gonna wash these few dishes that I took out of my spice cabinet yesterday, and then I'll probably be ready to like go. Let me check my phone. When I was decluttering, I got a whole trash bag full of stuff out of that declutter, which is insane. It says he's about 30 minutes away. Wait, where is he? Oh, I see where he is. There's a screw in it?
Yeah, right there on top.
I thought that my low tire pressure was from the
cold?
Yeah. Skin is done pretty fast. How did that get there? I'm riding with a donut. I'm going to get that patched today. And for some reason, my camera keeps going to slow mode, recording mode. So there's something else that I filmed that was in slow mode and I'm just annoyed. So my first load of clothes just finished washing. And what I like to do when I have a bunch of loads of clothes and I have like towels and blankets and sheets to wash, I like to go in with a load of clothes. Okay, now it's done. I like to go in with a load of clothes and then follow up with something like blankets, sheets, towels, something else. So I don't have to fold so many clothes at one time because it becomes overwhelming. That's when I feel like, oh, it's so much I need to do. But if I have a load of clothes and a load of towels to fold together, because I usually fold 2 loads at a time. So if I have a load of clothes and sheets or a load of clothes and blankets, then it's easier for my mind to process. This is not a lot. You know, so that's my hack. Try it if you really don't like to wash because it's like a lot at one time. And I separate my clothes by color. So I have whites, I have darks, and then I have like reds, and then I have like blues and greens. So I separate my clothes. That's how I end up with so many loads. I had these in my trunk. I got them out since the guy needed to get in for my spare tire. And I wanted to show y'all the only tissue that I use now because my grandparents used to buy Charmin. So I started buying Charmin. And Charmin just clogs my toilet up. I mean, like, it's like really super thick, which is cool and great and all. But I need something more functional. You know what I mean? So I like to get Cottonelle, because it has like the ridges in the tissue, and I feel like real tissue has texture like that, not like them flowers and stuff. This kind of texture. So I did restock up on tissue because I'm on my last roll. So I put that up there. I also have some paper towels in the car. I didn't grab those because I couldn't grab both because that is huge. And I also had a bag of trash that I need to bring in and throw away. Anyway, now I'm gonna go to Walmart to get my tire plugged.
Did you see where the nail was?
Yeah, you could see it clear as day. I think it's on the top. Oh, here it is. And if possible, I would like to do a balance and rotate today too. I got all of my tires from here.
All right, what's your phone number?
601. I was looking for some skewers. I haven't been able to find them yet, but I have found marshmallows. And I got some brownie mix because I'm also making brownies for some people who don't eat s'mores. I'm gonna get this pan because I want to be able to put the chocolate graham crackers and marshmallows in the pan, and I also want to be able to put the brownies and the cookies in another pan so it'll be easy accessible for everybody. So I'm gonna get both of these and they both come with lids. I would think that the skewers would be like in the baking, but I don't see skewers, child. I done walked around the whole Walmart looking for bamboo skewers for the marshmallows. Can't find them. I asked for help. She sent me to a specific aisle, went and looked there. Still can't find them. I looked on the surrounding areas. Still can't find them. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and order it now. I'm glad I didn't wait until Friday to find out that I can't find them in any of the stores. Alright, order placed. It will be shipped to my apartment on Thursday. Period. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom and check out. And I'm only getting one. Alright, I got two. White lady walked by me. She said, "Oh my God, you have a beautiful complexion." I'm jealous. I know that's right. Shout out to you for noticing me. Marshmallows, graham crackers, brownie mix. Yeah, it's gonna be a good. The pillows are $10 a piece, so this $20, $30, $40 maybe. Well, look what I just found. They're called treat sticks. And they do have the pointy ends. I was trying to make sure they had the pointy ends. They have the pointy ends. I don't know if you can see it in there. But I'm gonna cancel my Amazon order because these are $4 for 25. The Amazon pack was $6. Request cancellation. Cancellation successful, period. Well, that worked out because 25 is more than enough. It's gonna be like 5 or 6 of us. Oh, girl, I put that in my purse. I'm not stealing. I'm checking to see if it's ready. The Corolla.
Okay.
Now my girl is good to go. It's not even 10 o'clock. Hello? I love that for me. And I paid $0. For all my tire needs, I always come to Walmart and I always get warranty on my tires because stuff like that happens and they can fix it for free. I also got my tires balanced and rotated because I needed that. And I feel like this was God telling me, like, I'm gonna make sure you get your tires balanced and rotated because you just been driving on them. But I haven't been making time for myself to come get my tires balanced and rotated. So I think this was God's way of telling me just come get it done. Like, don't go to work this morning, go get your tires balanced and rotated, and thank you. Need that. I'm leaving work. I'm leaving work early. Why am I leaving work early? Because I got a voicemail from Walmart Auto Center. The voicemail says, "Hey, this is Walmart Automotive. We worked on your car today, the 2020 Corolla. I'm just calling to let you know that we forgot to put the spare tires back in your trunk. If you want to stop by sometime, we'll be able to throw that back in there for you. Thanks." Excuse me, you did what? So you telling me my spare tire is not in my trunk? Right. So I'm headed back to get that. And I'm not coming back to work because it's already at the end of the day. I had a meeting that I needed to support. I went to my meeting. I finished up some work, all the work I could finish, so I could go to Walmart and pick up my spare tire. Crazy, right? Well, that's not all. Even before that, roadside assistants text me, were you not happy with the service I provided you? I got a 7 on the feedback. Their review is only for me. That directly affects whether I get to work or not. Anything under a 9 is considered a 0 with this company. Huh? What? If you're not rating me, I'm not sure what that means. Can you please go back and change it? Thank you. I said I didn't give you a 7. I gave a yes for satisfaction and a 9 out of 10 for service recommendation. No idea why they gave you a 7. I didn't click the link to finish the survey because I was at the tire shop and at work. He texts back, oh, sorry, wrong person. Hope you have a great day. Girl, I don't know why they choose to stress me out today. I don't know why they picking on me. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today is Friday. It's my off Friday, and I actually just have had a really good workout at the gym. I should have took y'all with me, but I did. So I don't know what to tell you. I did beat my PR today, so I'm doing 2K with May for 15 days. We're jumping 2,000 jumps a day. And honestly, it's getting easier every day. This is like day 4 for me, although this is technically day 5. I skipped a day so that I could braid my hair down. I'm not going to show y'all too much of that because it's... Yeah, so we're supposed to have really bad weather this weekend. To make a long story short, I have nothing. Nothing. I have nothing, so I'm going to run some errands after lunch with my mentor. My mentor rescheduled lunch for today at 12 o'clock. So I have a little bit of time to get ready. I don't know if I'm going to get ready with y'all because, I mean, we've been getting ready in every single vlog. I don't even know if y'all like that. So I'm just going to get ready. I'm going to go to lunch with my mentor, and I'm going to take y'all with me to get some things for this winter storm that's supposed to happen. Is it going to happen? We never know. We never know. I was supposed to have a s'mores on the rooftop night tonight. Not tonight, tomorrow night. But I had to cancel because of the weather, so I'm going to move the date to another date, another later date, and we'll do that another time because I already started getting stuff for s'mores night. I was really looking forward to that. And honestly, if we did not live in the South and we lived in like an area where they ice the roads and stuff, I would still have it. Because pull up, it's the perfect time to snuggle under some blankets, roast some s'mores, catch up with the girls and the guys. I haven't picked up my camera in a couple days because I just been blah. I haven't been feeling like recording, honestly. And I didn't want to give y'all any boring content. So here we are, another day, another weekend. And we'll see how the weekend go because I don't really know. I don't have anything planned. I want to show y'all outfit under active. I had these leggings on in the last vlog actually, but I did not have this shirt on. It's very lightweight, which I love. And I love the color, like the ash navy blue. She's so tea. I need some good sports bras because as we can see, she a little heavy, so I need some new sports bras that are like high compact, not low compact, because yeah, I need them to stay in place. I finally returned from my lunch with my mentor. Now I'm gonna run some errands. So come on, let's go. Let's go run these errands because it's cold outside and I know the weather's supposed to get bad tonight. Let's go run these errands. So if you don't know, when it's cold outside like it is today, you need to have more than a quarter tank of gas in your car or it could freeze. I'm pressed for time. I want to be done with all my shopping by 3 o'clock. It's currently 1:51. But I got it all. You want a video? Oh, I was gonna say you can say hey to the people. Thank you. I'm gonna go on Aldi. It's currently 2:31. We're leaving Aldi. Ready to lay down. time is currently 2:54 and we are done. Headed to the house. I got everything that I need for this winter storm. If not, it ain't gonna get got. I am back at the house. I'm about to warm up my leftovers from Tupelo honey. I want to come on here and tell y'all about how I've been eating lately. This has only been like for the past week, right? Usually I would eat till I'm like good and full, till like I'm stuffed. So I stopped doing that. I started eating till I'm like comfortable, like before I get stuffed. So that would cause me to not eat all my food all the time. But at Tupelo honey, I just really had a whole bunch of food. I got the seared salmon and it came with 2 sides. So I got a Caesar salad and grits as my sides for the salmon. And then I got a short stack of sweet potato pancakes. Y'all know I love those sweet potato pancakes. So I got a short stack of that. And the salmon was a big piece of salmon. I only ate half of it. What's left is the other half. It's been keeping me from feeling like tired during lunch. You know how when you on your lunch break at work, especially like when you're in the office and you eat your lunch and then you feel tired? So I don't feel like that anymore. Like I don't feel tired after I eat my lunch. This is the grits. It's like some cheese grits. I think goat cheese grits. I forgot to get syrup for my pancakes. We got some honey, but I'm probably not gonna use that. For the sweet potato pancakes, they look like regular pancakes for real, but you can see like chunks of sweet potatoes. I wish I had some syrup. But they're partially sweet. And then the salmon, I feel like every time I vlog, I'm eating the whole vlog. Either I'm at the house or I'm going to eat. But I mean, that's the way of life. Not really, but I don't know what to tell you, babe. We're gonna do a snowed in haul of everything I got from the store for the snowed in weekend. Starting with what I got from Aldi. Immunity shots. I have 8 of them. 4 vitamin C and 4 ginger. Mangoes, apples. In the beauty supply, my beautician used this oil on my scalp and it wasn't like super oily, so I went and got some. And I needed some edge control because I didn't have any. That's why I had that hat on today. And this brow razor because my brows need it. Now I'm dropping stuff. I'm just a girl. Next from Walmart, some Black People Band-Aids for my finger. I cut my finger on the dishwasher the other day and I ran out of Band-Aids. Chapstick because I ran out of chapstick and it's too, wait a minute, this thing look open. Look at that. Who did that? But it's closed. Like, I don't know. We're gonna pray about it. And then some brush picks for my braces to put in my purse. Need that. A big bottle of wine from Walmart because if I'm gonna be snowed in all weekend, that's a wine type of weekend. This is white Merlot. I really love Merlot, so I feel like I would like this. And it's 11.5% alcohol volume. And eggs. So I can finally have eggs again. I got this from Aldi too. Just some kombucha. I saw on the internet that the directions say, I don't see directions. It said something about directions said take like 1 to 2 teaspoons a day, but it doesn't have directions on here. That's why I need a Band-Aid, because it keeps snagging. Let's go ahead and put a Band-Aid on now. I just washed my hands. The other Black People Band-Aids I had before were like super darker than my skin, so I tried to do better this time. Now this lighter than my skin. It's just not my skin, but whatever. Biggest can't be choosy. I just need some Band-Aids, and I knew I wanted Black People Band-Aids. She blends much better than the other one. So now I have to put some in my first aid kit for my purse. Yeah, kombucha. I saw somewhere that you're supposed to only have like a teaspoon a day. But the serving size says 1 container. Should we try it? Because I've never had this one. Oh, you're not? You are supposed to shake it. Are you supposed to shake it? It's just carbonated, so that makes me think you're not supposed to shake it, but it be having stuff at the bottom. Let's open it. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Cheers. I be forgetting. I literally just said it's carbonated. And I was still drinking it like juice. It's mixed berry. And I got this one from Aldi, so it's the Aldi brand, Vita Life. I feel like it's not as strong as the one I normally get. Like, it started with S, like Synergy or something. I'm not even done with my haul. I'm up here drinking kombucha. The first stop was the African store. I got some, oh Lord. The bag bust open. I got some plantains, because I like plantains. I like fried plantains. Need that. And it's a yam. I'm gonna leave it in this bag though. But yeah, that's everything that we got for the snowed in weekend. I'm kind of excited about being snowed in or iced in the winter storm weekend. Winter storm weekend with me. I just took my first sip, but this is actually really good. It's kind of sweet a little bit, but it's really good. I like it. I am showered and ready for bed. I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. I am back from the gym. I had a nice little workout. I did not finish my 2,000 jumps today, well, this morning, because it was a lot of people. I couldn't even get in the yoga room, so I'm gonna go back later and finish my jumps. I did 500 in like 5 minutes, so that's a good time. We're gonna keep it going. My jump rope actually saves like the last log, so I'll be able to continue where I left off when I go back later. And I don't know, this morning I did take my immunity shots and I drank some tea. I had some peppermint tea and lemon ginger before I went to the gym, and then I had a little protein yogurt. Now I'm finna eat some breakfast and shower and just enjoy my snow day. Although it's not snowing, it's just raining. Welcome to the South. You never know. I am dressed and ready to tackle this winter snowstorm in. Now I'm working on trying to figure out how to get my videos from my camera to this MacBook, because I don't have my adapter. But I forgot I could use the old school way and just plug it out. So I'm finna do that. But yeah, this is the fit. I just got on some sweatpants and a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt, and I'm probably gonna wear this to the gym later. I don't know. Update on the winter storm weather. Can y'all see me? Why y'all can't see me? Oh, update on the winter storm weather. I'm on the patio and it's just raining. It's cold. It's 37 degrees outside. And it's gonna get down to what? It says 40 degrees, so the temperature is going up. That's crazy. But yeah, no snow, no ice, none of that. It's just a bunch of cold rain, child. It's a lot though. The whole city panicked for no reason, but it looks like in the northern parts of the city, they're getting like sleet. If you look at the radar, it's like icy in some surrounding areas. Well, it was earlier. Nothing really going on over here, girl. What's going on over there? But it is snowing back home, which is crazy. And it's snowing in Tennessee, of course. Tennessee is north of us. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of nothing. I just been editing. I'm almost done editing this vlog that's coming out. Why can't I see? I'm almost done editing this vlog that I'm recording now, so hopefully we can have it up by Wednesday. Oh my gosh, she's cutting the apples. We are eating yet again on the vlog. This is chicken stew, boiled yam. We had that before on the vlog, and egg. Yummy, 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 yummy. And I got some wine. I don't think I'm gonna eat with y'all. I just finished eating. I'm undecided if I'm gonna actually go and finish my jumps tonight. It's currently 7 o'clock on the dot. It's actually 6:59. So in a minute it'll be 7 o'clock on the dot. When we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to buy myself a MacBook. Good morning. It is the next day. It's Sunday, and again, there's no snow. As we saw last night, the weather was actually gonna get warmer overnight in the 40s, so it's just been raining. I got up, I had my ginger shot, or actually today I had a vitamin C shot. I had protein yogurt. I did not have my tea yet, but now I'm gonna go and journal and go to the gym. I'm walking to one of the common areas to journal.
When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. Said you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. And everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, pumped around. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. If you're touched by the words in the song, and maybe you got it bad. Hang up and you call right back. Oh, you got it bad. And you miss a day without the free.
Now that I am finished journaling, and this is so cute, right? It's textured. We're reading the book of Proverbs, one chapter a day. So whatever day of the week it is, we read that chapter in its entirety. So today is the 25th. So we will read Proverbs chapter 25. And I'm actually using the Women's Bible app. It's pink. So we're gonna read Proverbs 25 for today in its entirety. So I do this every day. I started doing it at night, like when I got in bed, before bed, and then I would start forgetting. So I started to do it like in the mornings when I have my tea and my ginger shot, or when I journal, or when I just thought about it randomly. And if you are doing any Bible studies or reading any scriptures, you have some type of routine. Let me know how that's going for you, what you're reading. I have been deep in Proverbs before. At one point, I was reading Proverbs every single day, every single month. So I'm very familiar with the book of Proverbs. I love it. Let me go ahead and go to the Jimmy Jam. And today in the gym, I'm only doing jump rope, so I'm not really gonna show you how much of it.
You got it back when they stuck in the hole. You stuck that one. That's all you think about. Look at yourself. You got it back when you're out with some.
I just finished my jump and I did it in 19 minutes and 13 seconds. That's my new PR. It's like every day I am getting faster and I love that for me. But what's tea is I almost didn't jump today. Let me see. 19 minutes and 13 seconds. I almost didn't jump today. I was gonna do just strength training because that's what I prefer to do. Like, that's what I like to do. I like to strength train. But I was like, I'm keeping a promise to myself. I can't not keep a promise to myself, because if I can't keep a promise to myself, then how I expect anybody else to do the same? You know what I mean? Okay, I'm about to go get up out this sweat and out these clothes and eat me some food. I was looking at myself in the mirror while I was jumping, and I realized my calf muscles are getting bigger. I love that for me because I never really had like big calf muscles. But let's go. So I'm reading before I start editing my vlog. I'm reading Kennedy Ryan Before I Let Go, and I'm drinking some lemon ginger tea and listening to some Afro beats. Once I finish this chapter, I'm gonna just finish editing my vlog and probably close this vlog out because I don't plan on doing anything else tonight but eating and editing. And just to update on the weather, I'm gonna give y'all an update on the weather when I finish my chapter. So I just finished reading my chapter of the book. Come out here and show y'all what's going on. You can't hardly see it, but it's just a bunch of rain, a bunch of cold rain at that. So it seems like that's all we're getting is cold rain. No snow, no ice. My family has been sending videos and pictures of snow and ice, and my family has been calling to check on me, but we just got cold rain. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed my winter storm weekend in. We did a bunch of nothing and we didn't even get a winter storm, but I guess the people around did, so it is what it is, girl. Drop a snowflake emoji in the comments to let me know that you made it this far. And I will see y'all in the next video.